Good morning, students. I am Manoj Kumar, PGT Geography. Today, I am going to teach students of class 10. Today, I will teach Geography Chapter 1, Resources. In previous video, I taught you about definition of resource and types of resources. Today, I will explain topic development of resources. What is development of resource? What do you mean by development of resource? Define development of resource. Development of resource refers to utilization of resources. Man start using the available resources for fulfillment of their requirements. This entire process is called development of resource. Say for example, water is available in the river and man make dam, generate hydroelectricity and use for industries. This is called resource development. Resource development has caused problem also. It is a contradictory statement. How can development be problem? But it is fact. Resource development has caused problem in the following ways. That's point number 1. Resource development has been used for satisfying requirements of a few people only. Means a few people have controlled entire resources and they exploited it, they developed it to satisfy their own requirement only. So it has caused depletion of resources. Second point, the resources have been accumulated in the hands of few people only. I mean, resource development has divided the people into two categories, haves and have not. Have means rich people and have not means poor people. It means that due to resource development, our society has been divided into rich and poor. Point number 3, continuous exploitation of resources has caused some global issues also, like depletion of ozone layer, increase in air pollution, rise of temperature of the earth, melting of snow deposited on the poles, rising of sea level, etc. In this way, we observe that resource development has caused a problem also. Now, to solve this problem, people of the world called a meeting in 1992. A meeting was called in Rio de Janeiro of Brazil of South America. This was called Earth Summit. In this Earth Summit, representative of different countries took part and they signed an agreement under Agenda 21. This agreement was called Agenda 21. According to this agreement, countries of the world may be developed or underdeveloped or developing are allowed to utilize resources, develop resources, but they should not compromise with the environmental degradation. I mean to say, they should not destroy the environment by utilizing their resources. This entire process is called sustainable development. Sustainable development is a type of development in which there is no compromise with the development. There no compromise with the problems of the environment. I mean, there should be development with uh, proper uh, with proper direction, with proper guideline, so that our environment should not be harmed, should not be damaged due to resource development. Sustainable development is an eco-friendly development. It does not cause any pollution, it does not cause any problem in the society. This is why sustainable development is a long-lasting development. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe this video